Hey guys, another video, about like I said, I'm gonna do this for 30 days, um, to encourage you guys to take your business to the next level, right? So yeah, when trying times, pandemic and stuff, and you know, um, well, we just got to do better, man. Um, Most businesses are shifting online, so uh, us marketers, we have to test and and experiment a lot. The game is really changing. Um, I'm doing this video a bit late. It's Saturday, so I think a bunch of people are out shopping and stuff. So it's a few hours to midnight. I have really hit my goal. By this time yesterday, I was on $800, but I'm on $600 today, which is not a problem, right? So you can see there's another network here. You can see I did 115-ish, $105. It's another network here. I'm kind of showing too much now, but you get the gist. I'm gonna keep this brief under 5 minutes. Yesterday I talked about mindset and things that you should educate yourself on. So today, if you didn't see yesterday's video, I'm gonna put a link, or probably just I have a fan page. No, fan page. I'm gonna create a group, right? Now this is what you want to do. You want to go follow the group I'm gonna create, right? So I'm gonna drop some information out there once the group hits either 100 or 1,000 people. It's just a brand new group. So I can talk about things like volume and how to set up campaigns and the traffic sources to test. So many people are struggling with this information. And mind you, I'm just reload this page before it times out. Okay. A few dollars just dropped in. I'm running about 12 offers, 10, 12 offers, and about 6 are doing very, very well. The rest are a bit low. I'm running some payday loans. I'm running some diet. I'm running some lead generation offers. I'm running some zip submits, some email submits. I'm running some dating, and I'm running surveys. So the best is the dating and the diet. The diet. CDB oil and that stuff. Those are working well. So you want to go to a native ad network, MGID, Content Ad, Taboola, Outbrain, and you're gonna go through a few $1,000s on ad spend before it's gonna be profitable. That's just a fact. So I'm not gonna upload this video today. I'll probably do it tomorrow, because I was just hanging out with one of my buddies, and a couple of buddies were around. Just shooting pool, having some drinks. Yeah, got a pool table at home. So mostly a lockdown. Yeah. So anyway, so you want to collect data. I'm gonna go into I'm gonna do a video on how to set up volume correctly with different traffic sources and different CPA networks. So, so many people have reached out to me on Facebook. Too many people, over I think 100 people now, asking me about what I should give them campaigns. I should do. That's not gonna happen, right? I spent tens of thousands of dollars over the years, over the months, to figure out this campaign's not working. Today I probably spent like $60 or less to make about that. Yesterday I spent like maybe about $80. So that's a good profit. So yeah. So this is to just make people know it's possible. If you want to call it bragging, that's your business. Not like I care, but whatever. There's so many humans on the internet that you know yourselves, you know yourselves. So yeah. So just refresh and see what's happened. Boom, 612. 6 bloody 12. Yeah. And this is my worst month. Like, I'm running some other networks. I just showed a few more, down the low end, just to make you guys have a wrap. I have other accounts. I have about 6-7 CPA networks I work with. So I'm running probably about 6 of them, 5-6 of them. This is one of the okay accounts. I have an account that's way bigger than this. But I think most people's imagination cannot handle the figures there. So I'm just going to use this one. But if you want, I could use the other account. But anyway, it's a testing game, man. It's testing game. So you really want to go into testing. And you want to track your sources. So for example, if you're using Bing ads, you want to, because I think most people are running Bing blindly. They don't check things like where the traffic is coming from, like the publisher that's publishing your ads, because you can actually track the ads and see what websites the traffic is coming from. And yeah, and go check your ads out yourself and see how it's performing there. The same with native ads, the same. And the creatives, right? Your creatives want to be a bit aggressive. So for example, if it's a dating creative, you want to say things like, you want to be more aggressive, with the dating stuff. If it's credit, you want to be a bit more aggressive, because most people just want to like get dating going. If it's a credit card, they just want to get approved for a credit card. If it's a payday loan, they want to get approved instantly. I think people can try this campaign too. I don't support it, but whatever you feel like, just do it. But you want to learn the trade the right way. You want to do some targeting and stuff. And I'm gonna open up a group, and I'll probably just put a link of the group in the description. And if you want to join the group, join the group. I'm kind of gonna vet people into the group. It's not for everyone. The business is a bit too serious to have everybody there, right? So so this is day 4. This is day 4, 615. So this is day 5 or day 4. Oh, I lost count. This is either the 4th day or the 5th day. I can't remember because I've done a bunch of videos. So this is the 4th day or the 5th day, one of them. Yeah, maybe 5th or 4th. I don't know. I'm gonna do another video early in the morning. So I'm gonna post 2 videos, right? So I'm gonna post this one once I wake up, and I'm gonna do another video showing the next day. So I think by the end of the month this should be, I think, 20,000, because I'm averaging like 1,000 a day. So but today I'm at maybe 800 or 900. I'm at 1,000. But tomorrow I'm gonna do way more than 1,000. That's on this account, but on all my accounts combined, I'm doing, I think, between 2,500 and maybe 3 grand a day. Yeah, so I'm averaging about 70 to 100,000 a month. Just depends. Some months I do 50 grand. Some months I do 80 grand. Yeah. I'm more really like into real estate and all the investments. It's just a hobby. In fact, it's just a hobby, right? To me, CPA is just a game. I just do it because I want to outsmart the game. So it's like cat and mouse, Tom and Jerry, skinny fat, you know. So anyway, I want people to ask me reasonable questions. Like, me just telling you my traffic source doesn't really do much, because all traffic sources are good. Most. Asking about the offers I'm running doesn't make any difference, because most offers are good. You know, I think most people just want things handed over to them. But the people that know what to do, they will do the right thing, you know, for them, right? So anyway, gotta wrap this up now. I wanted 10 minutes, but it's 12 minutes, so I wish I could stop time. Leave your comments below. I'm gonna put a link to my own group, where you could ask me more reasonable questions. Like I said, I don't give my private phone number out. I don't, you know, I don't want tomorrow people should come and say, oh, it's a scammer, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Just go figure your stuff out. Yeah. So one more refresh before we wrap this up. Let's see if it's gone up one more time. Oh, still the same thing. So in 12 minutes, I made $15.50. So it was 600 when I started, and it's $15 in 12. So it's about $1 a minute. About maybe $60 an hour. That kind of stuff. You know. Anyway, hope you guys are safe out there. You know the world situation now. Invest in yourself. I've been doing this for a decade, so I'll tell you guys. I used to make way more than this on CPA marketing, right? I used to make way more. But all I can say is just invest in yourself, and just sit down, shut the noise, be by yourself, and dig deep. Anyway, God bless you all. God bless me. And I'll do another video tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.